I now want to shift focus to the other big story, the other big achievement. Wrestler Ravi Kumar Dahiya is on the cusp of creating history. He will fight for gold at the Tokyo Olympics. Now, Dahiya is, of course, short of a silver medal after reaching the finals in the 57-kilogram freestyle category. He pulled off one of the most incredible fight backs in the semi-finals. But a billion-strong nation says, Ravi Dahiya, go for gold.
Ravi Kumar Dahiya. Remember the name. Trailing 2-9 in the semi-final bout, the Indian wrestler made one of the best comebacks you will ever see. Kazakhstan's Nurislam Sanayev did not know what hit him. Sanayev must have thought he had the match in the bag, only for Dahiya to make an insane recovery. An incredible fight back. From 2-9 down, Dahiya took it to 7-9 before eventually he pinned his opponent down and was adjudged the winner by fall. Such was the upturn in the events that former Sports Minister and current Law Minister Kiren Rijiju couldn't stop praising Dahiya.
Absolutely, I have seen many wrestling matches in my lifetime, but this comeback made by Ravi Dahiya is one of the finest ever wrestling comeback in the last second, and he has thrilled the nation.
With his victory, over 1.3 billion rejoiced as India now have a shot at the ultimate glory, the gold medal that has evaded them for so long. Abhinav Bindra, 13 years back in Beijing 2008, won India's last gold medal. And now, Ravi Kumar Dahiya has the chance to emulate the feat. Dahiya has been in sensational form. He won the Asian Championships both in 2020 and 2021. He's also the bronze medalist from the 2019 World Championships. It was only a matter of time before he brought home the glory. Dahiya looked at his incredible best ever since his 57 kg category event kicked off. First, he defeated Oscar Tigreros 13-2 on technical superiority before taking down Bulgarian Vangelov 14-4 in the quarterfinals. And when it looked like all was over in the semi-finals, Dahiya pulled off a heist. He was of course helped by the injuries to Sanayev, but take no credit away from the man who can win India their first gold in ages. When Ravi Kumar Dahiya enters the arena for the grand finale, the entire country will be watching. And the entire country will be cheering for the nation's newfound star. Sports Bureau India Today.
Boxer Lavlina Borgohain has won India a bronze medal in the women's welterweight category after she lost her semi-final bout. Lavlina Borgohain's Olympic dream run ended with a 0-5 defeat at the hands of the Turkish boxer. But despite this loss, Lavlina has become only the third Indian boxer to win an Olympic medal, and she's so young, she has so much more to look forward to. She's quite a star, not just in Assam, but across the country already.
Bronze medal, golden girl. India's Lavlina Borgohain had to settle for a bronze after losing a semi-final bout against world champion Busina Surmeneli. Lavlina is only the third Indian boxer after Vijender Singh and MC Mary Kom to win a bronze at the world's biggest stage. Lavlina was already assured of the medal even before the bout began. The 23-year-old pugilist though lost all 3 rounds to the number 1 seed. In fact, a point was deducted from her score in the second round after she foul-punched her opponent despite repeated warnings from the referee. Such was the dominance of the Turkish boxer that she did not allow Lavlina to take any advantage of her height and longer reach. Ferocious punches and a formidable defense ensured the Indians' downfall in the last 4. This was Surmeneli's third straight 5-0 victory, and she is now the favourite to lift the welterweight crown. Lavlina herself wasn't too happy with her performance.
मैंने जितना तक सोचा था उतना तो नहीं हो पाया, लेकिन हाँ मैं खुश हूँ कि मेडल मिला. मैं आगे और कोशिश करूँगी कि और मैं मेडल इंडिया को दे पाऊँ.
Meanwhile, Prime Minister Narendra Modi had a few words of encouragement for Lavlina. The Prime Minister took to Twitter to congratulate the Indian boxer after a medal win, stating how Lavlina's tenacity and determination are admirable. With this bronze, India's medal tally stands at 3, and we have already surpassed our tally from the 2016 Rio Games, where we had won only 2 medals. Sports Bureau India Today.
It was a disappointing day for the women in blue. The Indian women's hockey team lost to Argentina 1-2 in the semi-finals. The team remains, of course, in the hunt for a bronze and will face Britain on Friday.
There was heartbreak for the Indian women's hockey team as they faltered in the semi-finals against Argentina. Rani Rampal's side lost and will now have to play Great Britain for a chance to win the bronze medal. India, who took the lead in the second minute through a penalty corner from Gurjeet Kaur, could not sustain the pressure as Argentina began to grow into the game. Argentina managed to equalize through a penalty corner, with captain Maria Borioni-Ivo putting her name on the score sheet. Borioni-Ivo was again on target with her second penalty corner as the world number 2 side went ahead in the 36th minute. India tried hard but were unable to breach the Argentinian fortress. They'll now aim for the bronze medal when they face Great Britain, who lost to Netherlands 1-5. With Tokyo 2020 already the best ever Olympics for the Indian women's hockey team, they'll look to cap off an incredible tournament with a bronze. Sports Bureau, India Today.